Hi, this is Joe Francis from The Intelligent Traveler, and I am back with this week's video. This time around, we traveled to a place near Karjat, and there were three locations that we covered. They were the Kondana caves, the Waterfall, and the Bhivgad fort. And if you are in a rush to see the caves or the fort ASAP, go to the middle and the end of the video, and trust me, you will not be disappointed. I have shot the entire trip on a GoPro camera, so trust me, there will be a lot of action packed videos throughout. And recently, I have become addicted to Reels or TikTok kind of videos, so I try to put as many as 15 and 30 seconds videos as possible. So without further ado, let's get started. And no, I'm not going to bore you with all the history and the geography behind all the places I've been to. It seems too much like a National Geography channel, and I'm not about teaching, rather, I'm all about maximizing fun. And I'm sure you can search for all the details on these locations online if you're really interested. The entire journey started when I decided to go for an outing with a group with whom I have been traveling for quite some time. Their name is Ramblers, and I believe it's my fourth or the fifth trip with them, so there are no real trust issues there, and I knew they will deliver. Also, last week, Greta and me went to Karjat Plateau, which was a really tiring trek for both of us. So this time around, we went for a simpler one. The trek started early in the morning when Ramblers picked us up on a minibus from Vashi bus stop. And there were 19 other guys who were part of the same trek. Some of them were from Borivali, Bandra, Sion, Chembur, and few even came from Pune. In the morning, we stopped for a yummy breakfast on the way, and it was part of the trip that we have already paid for, and it was a nominal and unexpected on the trip. We took on the hills after that. The first place we went was the Kondana caves, along with a few waterfalls along the way. It was an easy journey to the top. Even the trek leader said, "Go on an easy pace as it is an easy trek and there is plenty of time for exploring and taking pictures." After we were done with Kondana, we climbed down for an amazing lunch. It was more like a Maharashtrian thali with bhakri and rice. It was pure veg. I'm not a huge fan of vegan, but the food here was amazing. If you like the video so far, don't forget to give a like at the bottom of the video. And after the lunch, we went on to the second hill, which had Bhivgad Fort on top of it. When we reached the end, and when you reach the end of the video, you can see a panoramic view of the same. This one was a little more tricky than the last one, but we had an amazing trek leader, Mahesh and Ritvik, leading us. So it went by very smoothly. Even the guys with whom we went with were very cooperative and helpful, and we never had any major issues or setbacks. And there was a funny incident that happened when we were on a trek. It was first the guy ahead of us whose sole came off, and then it was Greta and me whose sole from the shoe came off as well. Any other group would have told you may have to go on your bare feet. But Mahesh, our trek leader, said he had a rope which was made out of a cloth material that he carried along with him always. He tied our shoes and soles together, which held on till the end. Thank God. It's like the scout leaders always say, be prepared. And prepared he was. It was a fun adventure that I was happy not to miss. I hope you liked my video and found it engaging. And if you did, don't forget to click on the like button. Also subscribe for more such videos. Also, you can find me on Instagram as joe.francis.t. So until next time, goodbye, good day, happy traveling.